Hey everyone, my name is Pim Pompasuth. I'm a Balbix cyber risk engineer, and today I just wanted to give you a brief 3-minute overview on the Balbix cyber risk and exposure management platform. We all know cybersecurity today is incredibly complex. Organizations need to secure hundreds of thousands of different devices, applications, users, and other assets. To secure these assets, organizations are generally leveraging dozens of different cybersecurity tools. Of course, what this means is that most data is siloed. There's siloed insights. Cybersecurity programs themselves are siloed, and this is leading to suboptimal cybersecurity outcomes. Balbix's AI-powered platform integrates into all of these different siloed tools and existing cybersecurity investments. By leveraging APIs, it ingests raw data and transforms that raw data into real insights and visibility in the form of assets, applications, and findings, threats, and controls. By looking at this visibility, it's able to inference and calculate risk and prioritize next best steps, ultimately taking those next best steps and providing the workflows to mobilize for meaningful risk reduction. As you can see, I've pivoted over to the Balbix console, which is SaaS delivered. Here I'm in the dashboard that gives me a bird's eye view of what's happening in my environment. I can see that there's 10,000 assets. Those 10,000 assets are leading and resulting in about $11 million of cyber risk. We can see that these assets are being pulled from dozens of different cybersecurity tools and data sources, and these risks and exposures are being prioritized. So some being deprioritized and some having been manually dispatched for remediation. In this case, this environment, we haven't leveraged automation yet, but we'll touch on automation in a different video. Let me double click into some of this. As I stated earlier, everything really starts with ingesting the data and telemetry from those existing cybersecurity investments. We can go ahead and do that by clicking on data sources and selecting from the library of connectors that Balbix has out of box, which consists of hundreds of different connectors across different types of security tools. So you have cloud service providers and cloud connectors, IoT security, endpoint security, third-party risk management. Generally, you name the tool, Balbix is able to ingest that data because of its flexible and extensible data model consisting of 500 plus attributes. So once you set up the API connectivity, which of course only takes minutes, you're going to start to see inventory. So here we can see inventory of assets, applications, users. And for that inventory, risks are ingested and calculated, and we could see things like vulnerabilities, findings for our applications, user risk findings. Let me go ahead and drill into a specific inventory, specifically applications, as we know that is top of mind for organizations today. As you can see, there's 124 different applications coming in from 6 different data sources, including ServiceNow, Veracode, and Checkmarks. You can see the inventory of applications here. And if I drill into one, for example, this account management application, I'm able to get a summary of the application, including business context. So its application owner, its IT owner, the application URL, all the way to business tags, which might include things such as its business criticality, as well as cost center. Here we can see a summary of the findings, including CVE and non-CVE related findings, the severity of those findings, and I could even drill into to understand what is the infrastructure that supports this application, including the infrastructure roles. If I go into inventory details, I'll get additional business context, such as the type of application, its IP address, the group that it belongs to. And if I want to actually go ahead and dispatch for remediation to actually fix these risk findings, I could go ahead and see here and come into findings and see all of the CVE as well as non-CVE related findings, which could be OWASP Top 10 configuration and findings such as SQL injection. Here, if I want to go ahead and dispatch, I can just select and go ahead and either share via email or create an ad hoc ticket. Of course, Balbix has built-in automation where you can create rules to automatically prioritize and dispatch for remediation in the form of projects. You can create automation to do things like tag assets and applications and vulnerabilities and findings, but that will be covered in a different video. We just wanted to give a brief overview for this video. Again, Balbix brings in data, raw data and insights from all of your existing cybersecurity investments and consolidates it into a single pane of glass, enabling you to manage risk and more effectively prioritizing those risks and mobilizing for risk reduction. By quantifying cyber risk in dollars, Balbix enables stakeholder alignment, enables better strategic and tactical decision-making. In the next videos, we'll try to cover key features of Balbix, such as Bix, our Gen AI-powered assistant, custom dashboarding, automation, and different use cases, such as documenting and maintaining and managing materiality of assets and applications. Thank you for your time.